Nasser Sharman, co-founder of Kleen. Kleen is a technology startup providing to the owner laundry a fully integrated system to raise the quality control, reduce the cost of the logistics, plus give the customers experience very easy process to engage with the laundry. Being an entrepreneur, it's mean following your dream and find where is the challenge, find the passion, and this element make me continue to achieve my goal and our team goal. Being in early stage as a startup such as Kleen, Misk, it's the best platform to raise the capability of the team and be involved in the ecosystem for technology startup.